First, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Cosmetics Camo Concealer to prime my eyes. And I'm just blending this out. Now I'm going in with the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadow palette in True Neutrals, and I'm taking the two matte shades and I'm just blending this into my crease. And I'm only using the two matte shades to create this look. And on my lid, you will see me applying the shimmer shade. I really love this palette. It blends super seamlessly, you guys. Definitely check out the Fenty Beauty Snap Shadows because I'm shook, okay? Rihanna done did it. Now with the Bioderma Makeup Remover, I am going in with a Q-tip and I'm cutting my crease before I apply the shimmery gold shade on my lid called Tequila Night. This palette is so beautiful, you guys, and I love how this look turned out. It's super pretty. I'm obsessed. Just look at that crease, girl. You can't tell me nothing. Now I'm going in with the NYX Cosmetics Metallic Liquid Liner, and I'm just adding a little line above the crease. It's cute. Looks good, right? Tell me it looks good. Okay. And now I'm going in with the Benefit Roller Liner, and this is in the shade Brown because I didn't want anything too harsh. I just wanted this to be a soft cut crease, and this liner is perfect to get that gorgeous, perfect wing. Look at how sharp that is. Photoshop who? I didn't think so. That ain't Photoshop, boo. That's all real. Okay? Okay. Now I'm applying the ColourPop lashes in Mink. And I love these lashes. They're really perfect for this look. They're super elegant and girly. I love them. Definitely check out ColourPop. And now I'm going in with this Marc Jacobs eyeliner, and I'm just going to smudge this along my waterline. Now I'm taking my favorite brow gel by Benefit Cosmetics called the Gimme Brow, and I'm just applying this to my brows with nothing else in my brows today. I'm just going to rock the natural bushy brow. And there you have it, you guys. This is a very soft and easy, elegant look. It's very pretty for every day. You could take it to work. You could take this look to the mall, on a date. I don't know. Do your thing. I love you.